Hello, my Reno buddies. So once the house was registered in our names, the excitement and planning began. I think Ocean was more excited than any of us. Those who don't know who Ocean is my son, our fair baby. He has never experienced that much space and freedom before. Unfortunately, we cannot take him to our land in Modimolle because it's a nature reserve and, well, he is not allowed to run around, let alone be in the vicinity of the animals. Anyway, we started going to the house like every day. I mean, who doesn't want to be surrounded by the serenity, right? Hubby started removing things like the cupboard doors, normal doors, shower doors, floor tiles, etc. Anything he could remove by himself. I then went to Facebook, big mistake, and posted on groups looking for a contractor or builder. Hey, the overwhelming response is, yo, I regret doing it. We got a few people come through to give us a quote. So initially we were going to have two phases of the project. Phase one was what I call my wing, from the kitchen to the main bedroom. No judgment, please. There are two wings, my wing and the other wing. Remember, the initial plan was to combine the main bedroom with the second bedroom to add a walk-in closet, then combine the two bathrooms to make one big ensuite bathroom, then move to the other wing to add a guest bathroom next to the garage. Second phase was going to be the leveling of the dining room area and breaking the wall by the entrance to have a view of the backyard when you enter, breaking the wall by the lounge and a bit by the kitchen to make it open plan, and adding an ensuite bathroom in the guest bedroom on the other wing. My office didn't need much besides painting the wall. This house is about 40 years old, so built in an old-fashioned way with round arches and many walls. The contractors came and gave their quotations and opinions as well. So we had 3 contractors come through. These ones had quotations that made sense, but they were far off from each other in terms of pricing. First one was a recommendation, and he charged us just above 600,000 rands. Told us what he can and cannot break, didn't even bother advising us if we want to break a certain wall, what should we do? So we would basically be renovating according to his level of capability or capacity or whatever level he's in. The quote did not include buying of tiles, paint, bathroom accessories. It was just for building, so we kept him. Kept. Second one was just above 400,000, same story. But this one was honest enough to say he is charging us that amount because he has school fees, mortgage, payment, etc. So we were his meal ticket. The third one quoted us just above 160,000, but this was strictly labor. Everything else was on us, so it made sense. All these quotations are for both phases, but no roof will be changed, just the ceiling boards. We actually had 2 additional people. I wanted to support black businesses, but hey, I let disappoint them and black people, I suka. The first one came with his builder and his girlfriend. While we are busy talking about the project, the girlfriend is busy making video calls to her friends showing my house and my yard without my permission. The other one brought his builder who smells like a township shebeen. And I have a right to say this because I know how a township shebeen smells like. I definitely cannot trust this guy to renovate my house. While we were still trying to figure out who to choose, we remembered that hubby has a cousin from his mother's side who is a builder and had built his parents' flatlet in Pretoria a couple of years back. I'm a strong believer that if I want a service or product and someone in the family can provide that professionally, pay attention to the word professionally, then I need to start at home. Charity begins at home. I should not be supporting a stranger when my brother can do the same job. Before we could bring in our cousin, Papa, my father-in-law, came through and helped us a lot with breaking the tiles. We were planning to retile the entire house. I did not like a single tile in that house. Papa really did a great job. I will forever appreciate what he has done. He didn't have to, but he did. So we got our cousin to come through and take over the building project. He arrived on the 16th of September. So first week of the actual renovations was from 16 to 20 September, and that's when more ideas started materializing. Options given and people, hubby, started getting excited. We literally did not have a set budget for the first phase because everything just fell within our savings. That was my 2024 vacation money, Louis Vuitton bag, and a Rolex watch for my husband. But unfortunately, adulting took precedence. So now we are adulting way above the non-existent budget. If you're wondering why I cut my dreadlocks, it's because I started pulling them off in my sleep, stressed to hell about where I'm going to get extra cash that we keep on adding on a daily basis. The problem is every single addition is deemed necessary, so we can't really cap it off or scrape it off. The diagrams is credit to my husband and his new lens skill. So he just started learning how to actually draw these things and put them in an app and to make it lively. Please remember to check out my real estate portfolio and also follow my YouTube channel. The links are in the comments below.